Welcome to CIN News Network. Top headlines of this week. Farmers protest. Indian Railways diverts. Cancels trains in Punjab. Amid rail roko call. Supreme Court says cannot rule out conspiracy against former CJI Ranjan Gogoi. The Supreme Court on Thursday disposed of the suo motu proceedings initiated to probe larger conspiracy to frame ex-CJI Ranjan Gogoi in an alleged sexual harassment case. Two minor Dalit girls found dead in a field in Unnao. Third battling for life after suspected poisoning. Metro man E. Sridharan set to join Bharatiya Janata Party. Facebook blocks Australians from viewing news on its platform. Facebook has decided to black out news content from its social networking platform in Australia. This action has been taken by Facebook after the Australian government proposed laws in the country to make Facebook pay for displaying news on its platform. Puducherry Chief Minister V. Narayan Swamy translates complaint into compliment. He faced a major embarrassment in the presence of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Wednesday when a fisherwoman accused him for not visiting them at their coastal hamlet. Amit Shah offers prayers at Bharat Sevashram Sangh during West Bengal visit. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is in West Bengal to flag off the fifth phase of BJP Poriborton Yatra, offered prayers at Bharat Sevashram Sangh at Ras Bihari Avenue on Thursday. Toolkit case, Disha Ravi moves Delhi High Court to restrain police from leaking probe material to media. Bengal Minister Zakir Hussain injured in bomb attack, CID takes over probe. He suffered injuries after unidentified persons hurled crude bombs at him while he was walking towards Nimtata railway station to board the train for Kolkata. No electricity, no water at Texas shivers with more dark days ahead. Residents in over 100 countries in Texas have been told to boil their water as treatment plants continue to suffer from energy blackouts, officials said. COVID-19 after 3 mutant variants, government issues fresh set of travel guidelines, with India reporting the presence of UK, South Africa and Brazil. R. Madhavan awarded Doctor of Letters for his contribution to the arts and cinema. Madhavan says he feels humbled and grateful after he was awarded a degree of Doctor of Letters by a Kolhapur institution for his contribution in the field of arts and cinema.